Hey guys, welcome back to Pure. Today's video we're talking about pores. Can you shrink your pores? Let's jump right on into the video. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Monica. I am the owner of Pure. I run this business alongside my husband Daniel from our flat in London. So we're talking about pore shrinking in this video. If you've ever bought a product claiming to shrink your pores, I need you to listen carefully. Today's myth is one of the biggest money making in the beauty industry. The promise of tiny pores. So let's clear something up real quick. You cannot permanently shrink your pores. Pore size is largely determined by genetics. So some people naturally have larger pores and some people naturally have smaller pores. However, pores can appear larger for several reasons. So let me give you some example. If excess oils. So having excess oils can make your pores look larger. Dead skin cell, loss of skin elasticity, sun damage. When your pores become clogged, they stretch and become more noticeable. That's why cleansing and exfoliating can help your skin's appearance. So I recommend double cleansing. I can't say this enough. Double cleansing is going to make sure that you remove excess dirt from your skin, excess oil from your skin, and then applying the necessary products, the right products to your skin can also improve this as well. And certain ingredients can help make your pores look less visible. But the key starts with having clean and healthy skin. So one of my previous videos that I made, I mentioned the right ways of cleansing. So go and check out that video. If it's not up already, subscribe so you're notified when a video is up. To be honest though, no product can magically erase your lash pores or make your pores disappear. So having pores are normal. So if you follow the step mentioned above, it's going to, or use ingredients that are made to make your pores look less visible, then that's fine. But remember, don't be deceived. No product can magically erase your lash pores. So pores are normal. Every single person has that. So tell me in the comments below, have you ever purchased any pores minimizing products? Did they live up to the hype? Leave that in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow us on all our social media. Shop our website moneyopure.com. Thanks for watching this channel and get into this part of the video. You're an OG, and I'll leave this video here and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.